Hi there, and welcome to our GoLinks Help Center series. Today we'll be discussing how to use the GoLinks GitHub integration. As you can see, I am currently on one of our existing issues, and one of my team members has already included a GoLink within their response. I can easily go ahead and click that link, and it will take me to the destination URL associated with it. As another user within the group that is working on this issue, I can go ahead and leave a comment and include another GoLink in the comment section so that anybody working on this issue will be able to see it. As you can see, it doesn't immediately translate it, but you will notice after a couple of seconds, the GoLinks bot does go ahead and translates that into a clickable GoLink for you. So I can go ahead and click this and it will take me to the destination URL that I am currently trying to associate with that. And you can see it works just like that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at our support chat in this lower right corner here, or you can email us at support@golinks.io.